Boy, I've never been on CTT TV before. I wonder if the people will like me.
Don't worry, little Wilson. Any American train fan who's ever watched Chuggington will.
Wilson is probably the happiest looking locomotive that I have ever reviewed, and that includes Thomas the Tank Engine. He's got a great little smile. He's got eyeballs looking right back at you. His eyelashes are the wiper arms for the windows. Very nice detailing that's cast in. Very simplified, but clearly recognizable as an American prototype locomotive. And of course, train guys and gals are going to want to know what's the power. It's got two can-style motors inside the trucks, die-cast metal trucks. Heavy locomotive. If you look in the review, you'll see the image with the shell off, that these are very nice sized motors. They're not it's not an underpowered model. Also, there are 4 pieces of rolling stock available. There's 2 hoppers. This is one of them. There also is a box car and a passenger car. These are British style with the 4 wheels. Actually a very durable, very solid piece of plastic. Very nice car, and I can think of a lot of handy Andes out there might want to spray it, slap a different road name on it, or a quarry company or a coal company. And I think this would be a pretty nice addition to your fleet as it is. This is a conventional locomotive. Again, the target audience is really young youngsters or whimsical oldsters. There's no sound system, there's no smoke unit. This is bare bones model railroading, but it's also fun model railroading. Let's take her on a spin. So there you have it, Wilson, the star of the Chuggington TV series, and as you can see from the string of freight cars we attached to it, there's actually a lot. This isn't a novelty engine other than the whimsical design of the shell. There's a lot of locomotion beneath that shell. So be sure to check it out at your Williams by Bachmann retailer. Go to bachmanntrains.com and select Williams.
Classic Toy Trains is the leading magazine in the O and S gauge hobby. Don't miss an issue. Start your subscription today by going to classictoytrains.com/sub. Thanks for watching.